Easy words without tradition turn original verbs into submission. I smell blissful ignorance addiction, but I guess I wouldn't be right if I said the blunt was like a baby pipe. There ain't gonna be no revolution tonight. Half my warriors as high as a kite, lost and they lost all they fight. And I've tasted the bitter tragedy of lives wasted, and men who glimpsed the darkness inside but never faced it. And it's a shame that most of y'all are following sheep, wallowing deep within the darkness. You're falling asleep.
You won't believe the things I've seen, far beyond your wildest dreams. I've seen chaos and order reign supreme. I've seen the beauty of the you in a verse so peaceful and serene, in seconds turn to violence and screams.
I've seen and experienced things that'll push the average to the edge and swan dive to death. I'm two guys, multiplied by 93 guys, evenly balancing evil equally in each eye now. Maybe I'm the most thorough worker on the job to you, or maybe I'm the one who was plotting to rob you. The fear to speak down, the women on no cash to floss, makes most of y'all hustle your ass off. From nothing to 2 mil in 5 years, I live to see it vanish in 6 months with no tears